Branch Office Goods Receipt Note, GRN process. Branch Office GRN Goods Receipt Note process from receiving items to inspection and rejection. A GRN is created to confirm that the correct items have been received in the expected quantity and condition. Scenario example. The marketing team at Branch A ordered 5 laptops through a purchase order, PO. The supplier delivers the laptops, and the branch office needs to verify and record the receipt using the Goods Receipt Note, GRN. After GRN creation, items undergo inspection, and any rejected items are returned to stock. Steps to create a Goods Receipt Note, GRN. Step 1. Access the GRN section. Navigate to Branch Office GRN in the system. Click Add New to create a new GRN. Step 2. Select supplier code. Choose the supplier from the available list. Once selected, the system auto-fetches details such as GRN number, auto-generated, PO number, supplier code and name, city and date. Step 3. View pending PO items. Click View Pending, which redirects to Miscellaneous P.O Pending View. A list of pending items related to the selected supplier and PO will be displayed. Select the delivered items. The system auto-fetches details like item name, description, unit of measurement, UOM, unit price, P.O pending quantity. Step 4. Enter received details. Manually enter DC quantity, delivery challenge quantity, received quantity of selected items. Enter D.C number, invoice number, DC date, invoice date. Click Update Basket to save the entry. The system will display an excess/shortage field based on the received quantity. Click Checkout to finalize the GRN. The record is saved on the main page with a unique GRN number. Click on the GRN number to view details. Next step, GRN inspection. Click on the GRN number that was generated in the GRN process. The system redirects to Branch Office GRN inspection page. The following details are auto-fetched. GRN number, D.C number, supplier code, invoice number, supplier name and address, city, GRN date, D.C date, invoice date. A list of received items is displayed with item code, part number, description, UOM, unit of measure, GRN quantity, received quantity, accepted quantity for each item. Click Update Basket after entering the accepted quantity, and then click Checkout to finalize. The inspected items will disappear from the inspection page and move to the next process. Click Back button to go the GRN rejection process. GRN rejection process. If items do not meet quality standards, they need to be rejected and tracked properly. Click Add to start the rejection process. The system redirects to the GRN rejection Add page. Choose the GRN number for the received item. Select the specific item to be returned. The system auto-fetches details, GRN number, PO number, supplier code and name, item code, part number and description, UOM, unit of measure, unit price, PO ordered quantity, GRN accepted quantity, GRN rejected quantity. Manually enter D.C number, delivery challenge number for returning the item, D.C date, date of item returned to supplier or stock, invoice number, reference for supplier invoice if applicable, invoice date, date of invoice issuance. Click Checkout to confirm the rejection process. After checkout, The rejected item is added back to stock. The updated stock, including issued, rejected, and reissued items, is displayed in the reports facility. The system maintains a record of all transactions to ensure complete traceability. Summary: create GRN when items are received. Inspect GRN to verify the received items. Reject and return defective items to stock. Bill Passing Menu Branch. This training will guide you through the process of bill passing after items have been received and inspected. Bill passing ensures that the supplier's invoice is processed for payment based on the goods receipt note, GRN. 2. Steps to process bill passing. Step 1. Access the bill passing section. Navigate to Bill Passing Menu branch in the system. Click Add New to start processing a bill. Step 2. Select the GRN number. Choose the GRN number that corresponds to the received goods. The system redirects to the goods receipt note inspection page. Step 3. Auto-fetch details. Once the GRN is selected, the system will automatically display GRN details, GRN number and date, D.C number and date, supplier code and name, invoice number and date, supplier address, PO number and date, item details, item code and part number, description, unit of measure, UOM, GRN quantity, rejected and returned quantity, accepted quantity, unit price, GST %, packing and forwarding, PNF, charges, discount %, accepted value, bill passing by. Step 4. Verify and enter additional information. The purchase order summary section will display subtotal, discount, packing and forwarding charges, sales tax, GST, freight charges, payment terms, price basis, transport details, delivery place and method. Enter any additional remarks regarding the transaction. Step 5. Finalize the bill. Click Update to process the bill. The system will calculate the final bill amount, including all applicable taxes, discounts, and charges. The bill is auto-generated and displayed with all charges. And then click Checkout. The bill details will be saved and shown in the bill passing section on the main page. 3. Bill Passing Rejected GRN Menu. The Rejected GRN menu is used to track rejected items that have not been returned to stock. This differs from the GRN rejection process, where rejected items are added back to stock. Step 1. Access the Rejected GRN menu. Navigate to Bill Passing Rejected GRN menu. The list of rejected GRNs that have not been returned to stock will be displayed. Step 2. View Rejected GRN details. Click View next to a rejected GRN. The system opens the Rejected GRN details page. Here, you can verify the rejected item details for further processing. Delivery Note. The delivery note, outward, is a document provided by the issuing party to receiving party that lists the items being delivered from the sender to the receiver. This document helps track goods dispatched from a branch. 2. Creating a new delivery note. Navigate to the Delivery Note section from the main menu. Click Add New. This will redirect you to the delivery note entry page. Enter required details. Company and branch details, auto-fetched by the system. Example, SRC Projects Private Ltd, BO Chennai. Select type. Choose the type of delivery, example branch or superior. To branch. Send through. Date. The system autofills the current date. 3. Adding items to the delivery note. Click Add Row to insert item details. Fill in the following fields for each item. Description, name of the item being delivered. Specification, additional details about the item. UOM, unit of measure, measurement unit, example, kg, piece. Delivery quantity, quantity of the item being delivered. Remarks, any special notes regarding the delivery. Delete row, if needed. If an item is mistakenly added, click Delete Row to remove it. 4. Finalizing and submitting the delivery note. Click Submit to save the delivery note. Once submitted, the delivery note number is generated. The note appears on the main page for tracking. Viewing delivery notes. Click on a delivery note number to view detailed information. Printing the delivery note. The system provides an option to print the delivery note for records or further processing. 5. Summary and key takeaways. A delivery note records goods dispatched from a sender to a recipient. Ensure all required details are filled correctly before submitting. Use the Add Row feature to enter multiple items. Review and print the delivery note for documentation purposes.